Parliamentary Select Committee on Health, and so they told Christian Health Association of Ghana nim say one more samna one more no e kano NHIS mpanifo de wo no wo so de one to mu bi e hwe de wo betumi aye bi asabe ya e kana ban betua de ama wo mu Adom Kasee etwase.
Parliamentary Select Committee on Health apra wokoye ewo Brekum Holy Family Hospital and a ranking member ya woda committee no one no kwabna minta kando editu just say obehwe na Christian Health Association of Ghana eka National Health Insurance Authority mpanifo de wo mo no otua ama wonjumedi etimi akwa wano.
We sometimes go to the grounds to have first-hand information so that will guide us whatever we do when we sit as a committee. We have heard your challenges and those that we can do something about them. Since we are your chief advocate, we'll try as much as possible to do something about those things. So from here, we will appeal to the CEO for the National Health Insurance Authority to, as a matter of urgency, clear those bills that are standing in your books for the past 1 or 2 years.
Administrator Yawoda Brekum Holy Family Hospital ano Reverend Sister Reina John na obabaya baso se abribia otimi ene yaresabia ekabom eje omanfo nkwa enso sika National Health Insurance Authority for ede wo mo ne die otuama wa mu a ebeboa ama asoye ni sikasem atoto yie.
Around 2.9 million Ghana cedi has been waived off as electricity bill. It's a great relief for us. But now the current, the pressing issue now on electricity is, it is on our shoulder to pay since June, July. The average bills for the facility, it comes to 96,000. Last payment we made is 96,000. That includes the tax. I have given the breakdown, everything in the notes.
Woni nyina mu no ena penimpa woda CHAG ano Dr. Peter Yeboah enso Edison Semi etudwa.
Assure this committee that one of the things that make CHAG unique is the way we train, groom, attract and retain our staff to ensure continuity of the quality services that we provide. And that is why we are forever grateful for the support you give us. And we are praying that this church-state partnership, which is extremely important, which represents the foundation and cornerstone